Scorpions, this is Ciao with Ariana Stark. This is your monthly forecast for the month of July 2021. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also being called upon to dive into these oracle decks. This is the Vintage Wisdom Oracle card. We also have a Love Oracle deck right here. Last but not the least, I'm going to use Archangel Raphael for a message with respect to your health. Scorpions, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order, so please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Towards the final days of June, stepping into July 2021, we have the Justice card. Certainly, this was a period of karmic reward and punishment. Besides, I think there was clarity with respect to an issue that was bothering you lately. I think there was no more confusion and you were able to proceed the way you would have desired. Excess work was also quite likely for many of you. Basically, time was at a premium. Maybe you had to attend to pending work as well. Obstacles to overcome this month, we have the King of Wands. Certainly, this is also the month when you need to bury the hatchet and move on. Maybe there could be disagreements within the family. Many Scorpions will also be concerned about the health of a loved one. Though you will be at your creative best, I think you could also be a bit perturbed because there are visitors or guests. That means that the home environment could be a bit stifling for you. Influences for this month, we have the Queen of Wands. Like I said, this is the month when you need to thrash out issues that are bothering you. Again, because of the Wands energy, you will be at your creative best. But then you should also be careful because rivals are going to sharpen their knives behind your back. Divine intervention is also at hand. You know, when things fall apart, then you can turn to God and He will answer your prayers. Nonetheless, this is also the month when you will be able to complete a lot of work. I think you will also benefit on account of your contacts or the goodwill that you have earned in the past. You have to keep in mind that there will be roadblocks and interruptions this month, but you will be able to proceed. The first 10 days of July, we have the Moon. And we did clarify the Moon and we have the Three of Cups. Confusion is quite likely in this time. Maybe you should also have a flexible mindset because your schedules could go for a toss. In all likelihood, plans will be changed or altered. However, Scorpions, you will benefit on account of your acquaintances or your relatives. Maybe you should also promote yourself on the social media. In case you're ill-equipped when it comes to the social media, then maybe you should take the help of younger people, perhaps your niece or your nephew, or even your children. Many of you could also have dreams and visions this month. Most definitely, you should follow your hunches or your intuition because your sixth sense can never be wrong. The first 10 days will also be marked by reunions. Your social life will be on the upswing. You will be enjoying good food. The next 10 days, that is towards 11 to 20th July, we have the Knight of Swords. Excess communication is quite likely in this period. Like I said, in this month, you have to adapt, you have to make adjustments. Besides, I think you'll also be in an adventurous mood. You want to move forward very quickly, but you should also be careful because there could be mistakes or that you have to review the tasks that you have done. Things will definitely go according to plan. It could be a bit unnerving at times, but then being flexible helps you proceed. It does make things easier for you. In this time, you also have to be prepared for unforeseen eventualities. I think you have to attend to whatever comes up, so be mindful of that as well. Scorpions, you're somebody who is willing to go the extra mile to make some quick bucks. Incidentally, in this period, you will also be dealing with a superior who doesn't seem to have concrete plans. That is why you think this boss is quite whimsical and it could get a bit frustrating as well. You should also be careful because technological gadgets or technical issues could crop up this time. Those of you who are in the leadership position, I think you have to delegate responsibility, but then you are unhappy with the output. Maybe you will give a piece of your mind to sluggish workers. This month you should also be careful because the administrator or the management could seek an appraisal. Maybe there could be discussions with clients. That is why you could be a bit stressed out. Incidentally, this month the administrator is also somebody who is going to listen to your point of view, will pay heed to your plans ahead of other departmental heads. Appreciation is also on the cards in this time. The final days of July, we have the Knight of Cups. It would be best, Scorpions, to not get embroiled in unnecessary arguments. Maybe you're going to assume too much and it could all amount to nothing. Certainly, it would be prudent to take a back seat rather than make a mountain out of a molehill. I think within the family or within the work environment, also, you're supposed to be somebody who has to give in or surrender to the whims of assertive family members or assertive colleagues. That is why you are going to question your superiors or even your family elders about the same. Maybe you think that you always have to give in or yield, or you have to sacrifice yourself. Perhaps you do your utmost for the family, but then it goes unacknowledged. That is why you are going to be somebody who is going to enumerate whatever you have done in the past. Additionally, also, you want to do things in a systematic manner. You want to organize the day, but then there are colleagues who feel that you're quite lax, or that you're not promoting yourself, or that you're not networking enough. Your clients or your patrons may also want more out of you than what has been agreed upon. Maybe you feel that they are fleecing you or they are extracting more than their pound of flesh. As a leader also, you should be careful because you know there's going to be rivalry this month. So maybe you feel that there are some workers who are reporting against you. With respect to your love life, Scorpions, we do have the card Hidden Read Between the Lines. Perhaps something is not explicit, or maybe the person you're dealing with is not being honest. Maybe many of you also keeping an eye on this person on the social media. You are being called upon to delve deeper to understand what this person is trying to convey, or you're going to decode his body language in case he is physically present before you. Largely, I think you are going to be wanting to uncover things that are hidden. You want to understand what this person really means. Incidentally, single Scorpions, I think your friends may be playing matchmaker this month, or they are playing Cupid. You're definitely socializing a bit. That is why it could throw you in the path of members of the opposite sex. I think a particular suitor also has intense love for you because we have the Knight of Cups in this reading. So certainly this person is going to make an effort to reach out to you. Maybe there have been disagreements in the past with this person, but then he's going to keep that aside. Perhaps he's also apologetic. At times, Scorpions, you could also be in a reflective mode. Maybe you will think that you had your fair share of admirers, but then you were not ready for them. In case you're crushing on someone, I think this is the time to communicate with this person, but then these are also early days. Sometimes you feel that this person and your thoughts are quite aligned. That is why we have this card, Hidden Read Between the Lines. Maybe even if the two of you are not communicating, but then the messages that he writes or he posts on the social media could give something away. Those of you who are in an unacknowledged relationship, I think you could have playful conversations with this person. But sometimes, this person could also come across as being quite aloof and distant. I think for many Scorpions, there could also be a choice in love here. I think there could be several suitors. Even 2 knights in the reading does imply that there could be more than one suitor for you. But you do tend to lose interest, perhaps because you do have options before you. In case you are in an on-again, off-again relationship, you do desire clarity with respect to this connection. Maybe there's no communication to write home about between you and this person. That is why a loved one or even your confidant may say that you're living in a fool's paradise. Largely, I think Scorpions, you don't want the confusion. You want it to end. And you want the channels of communication to be open. Romancing Scorpions, I think your lover is somebody who's going to bombard you with messages. I think he will go all guns blazing when it comes to wooing you. Love is definitely blossoming this month for many of you. Sometimes he feels that he didn't go overboard, as you could lose interest in the person because you are getting distracted a bit. Nevertheless, this person has pulled at your heartstrings and he knows he has to be patient with you. Oftentimes, the two of you could also be discussing work-related strategies. Maybe you will enjoy dinner dates or you will be quite flirtatious. I think it's a very light-hearted energy this month for you. Sometimes, this person could also be preoccupied on account of his numerous responsibilities at work. That is why there could be a distance. But then you will understand that he needs to proceed or he needs to progress at work. I think the health of your lover could also be a concern here. Married Scorpions, this July you have to put up with a very fussy partner. I think at times this person could be quite indifferent, and that is why you have to use your persuasive skills to make him change his mind. Ideally, I think Scorpions, you should avoid disagreements. Perhaps you should not complain over inane matters. In case yours is an unhappy connection, I think you are dealing with a suspicious partner. Marital infidelity could be an issue here as well. Maybe your spouse is someone who wants you at his beck and call, or he wants everybody under his thumb. His dominating side could affect this relationship. We talk about infidelity, and we do have trust here. So trust could be a factor in your relationships. In fact, it could be with anybody, whether at work or within the home environment. I think you should follow your instincts, or you should trust your inner voice. You know, trust is a very fragile flower. It is difficult to earn, but then it can easily break. So this is why you need to be careful in your relationship. Scorpions, you're also being called upon to trust another person's judgment. The last card in your reading is Laughter is the Best Medicine. Surely, Scorpions, worry and stress never helps any situation. Rather, you need to have a good laugh over it. Maybe you need to relax a bit, watch a funny movie. Earlier in this reading, it did come up that you could be having reunions or you could be socializing. So this could definitely help you relax a bit. Archangel Raphael is definitely asking you to see the funny side of things, and this will certainly help you this month. I hope, Scorpions, you liked your reading. This is Ciao with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.